Good evening. Let me start by asking you a simple question. What makes a film industry thrive? Is it the glitz and glamour, the blockbusters, or is it the ability to tell stories that resonate with audiences? Stories that challenge, entertain, and leave a mark. Tonight, we are talking about Bollywood, the Hindi film industry that has long been seen as the face of Indian cinema. But is it losing its way? Filmmaker Anurag Kashyap, one of the Bollywood's most fearless storytellers, definitely seems to think so. In a recent interview, Kashyap delivered a scathing critique of Bollywood, calling it stagnant, profit driven, and devoid of creativity. And he intends to quit Bollywood for good. Why is a filmmaker like Kashyap, who gave us cult classics like Gangs of Wasseypur and Black Friday, walking away? Let's decode. Bollywood's fall from grace. First, let us give us some context. Over the years, Bollywood has changed for the worse. The industry has become predictable. Remakes and sequels have replaced originality. Only two things matter: star power and box office collections. Anurag Kashyap sees this as a fundamental problem. He says, and I quote, "Right from the beginning, before the film starts, it becomes about how to sell it. The joy of filmmaking is sucked out." According to Kashyap, Bollywood is no longer a place for risk takers. It's a factory producing films that are aiming to make money, not art. Let's think about this for a moment. When was the last time Bollywood gave us a truly original, path-breaking film? Compare this with the South Indian film industries like Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, where filmmakers are pushing boundaries with every project. Films like Pushpa, Jailer, Kalki 2898 AD, and RRR are not just successful, they are redefining Indian cinema. So, where is Bollywood in this conversation? Lagging behind. Kashyap looks south. This brings us to the turning point in our story. Kashyap has openly praised South Indian cinema for its bold storytelling, specifically Malayalam films, which he says are driven by creativity, not commerce. He even called out Bollywood's habit of waiting for Malayalam films to succeed only to buy the remake rights instead of investing in original ideas. In his interview, Kashyap didn't hold back. He said, "Pushpa can only be made by Sukumar. Bollywood doesn't have the brains to make a film like that." These are harsh words, but they reflect a growing sentiment in the industry. The South is thriving because it isn't afraid to experiment, to fail, and to challenge norms. And Kashyap, he says he wants to move where the action is. To quote him again, "I want to go where there is stimulation." He's planning to shift completely to South cinema. What does this mean for Bollywood? It means the industry is losing not just audiences, but also its most creative voices. OTT platforms are no better. But what about OTT platforms? Weren't they supposed to be the new playground for maverick filmmakers like Kashyap? A place where creativity could flourish without the constraints of box office numbers? Kashyap says those days are over too. He described the early days of OTT as a golden era, where platforms backed bold and diverse content. But now, according to Kashyap, they have become just like Bollywood, driven by algorithms, star power, and commercial formulas. He said, "The platforms are not interested in storytelling anymore. They are looking for content that guarantees numbers." Kennedy and the unreleased films. Let's take the case of Kashyap's latest film, Kennedy. It premiered at the Cannes Film Festival, received international acclaim, but remains unreleased in India. He revealed that 5 of his films are lying unreleased, held hostage by a system that prioritizes commerce over creativity. This is not just Kashyap's story, it's a reflection of a larger problem. How many films, how many stories are being buried because they don't fit into industry's narrow definition of marketable? Even a film like All We Imagine as Light found it difficult to get even an OTT release. A wake-up call for Bollywood. Here's the bottom line. Bollywood is at a crossroads. Anurag Kashyap's critique is not just an attack, it's a wake-up call. The Hindi film industry needs to reinvent itself, to rediscover the courage to take risks, to invest in original ideas, and to nurture talent instead of chasing trends. Will it rise to the challenge or continue its downward spiral? Only time can tell. This is Leena Lal signing off for now. Keep watching Famous TV for more such stories.